Chromosomes, organized DNA structures. In this video, we'll explore chromosomes, which are essential structures that organize our genetic material. Chromosomes are condensed forms of DNA that become visible during cell division, playing a crucial role in how our cells reproduce and pass on genetic information. Chromosomes are condensed structures made of DNA and proteins that become visible during cell division. Think of them as tightly packed bundles of genetic information. Their main purpose is to organize our genetic material into manageable packages that can be easily copied and distributed during cell processes. Without this organization, the long strands of DNA would become tangled and damaged. It's important to understand the difference between DNA and chromosomes. DNA is a long, thin, thread-like molecule that contains all our genetic instructions. A chromosome, on the other hand, is tightly packaged DNA that has been wrapped around special proteins. So chromosomes are essentially DNA in its most organized and compact form, like taking a long piece of string and winding it into a neat, tight ball. Chromosomes form through several levels of organization. First, the DNA double helix wraps around proteins called histones. This creates structures called nucleosomes, which look like beads on a string. These nucleosomes then coil further into thicker chromatin fibers. Finally, during cell division, the chromatin reaches its maximum level of condensation, forming the distinct X-shaped chromosomes we often see in diagrams. This packaging allows 6 feet of DNA to fit inside a microscopic cell nucleus. Chromosomes have 3 key structural parts. The centromere is the connection point where 2 sister chromatids are joined together. Chromatids are identical copies of DNA that are held together at the centromere. And telomeres are protective caps found at the ends of chromosomes, similar to the plastic tips on shoelaces. These telomeres prevent the chromosome ends from deteriorating and protect our genetic information. Humans have 46 chromosomes in each cell. These are organized as 23 pairs, which we call the diploid number. We inherit 1 chromosome from each pair from our mother and 1 from our father. This pairing is essential for genetic diversity and ensures we have 2 copies of most genes, providing a backup if 1 copy is damaged. There are 2 types of chromosomes in humans. Autosomes are non-sex chromosomes that carry general genetic information about body structure, metabolism, and other functions. We have 22 pairs or 44 autosomes in total. Sex chromosomes determine biological sex. Females have 2 X chromosomes, written as XX, while males have 1 X and 1 Y chromosome, written as XY. This makes 1 pair or 2 chromosomes total. Chromosomes serve several critical functions. They protect DNA from damage during the process of cell division, when genetic material is most vulnerable. They ensure accurate distribution of genetic material to daughter cells, so each new cell gets a complete set of instructions. Chromosomes also regulate gene expression through their packaging structure, controlling which genes are active. Finally, they enable heredity by allowing us to pass our traits to our offspring. Understanding chromosomes is fundamental to understanding genetics, inheritance, and how life perpetuates itself.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.